Hi, I'm Vivek Kashyap, and I would like to take a few minutes to invite you on what might be a life transforming journey. I believe we have the capacity to live a powerful, authentic, and fulfilled life. We need powerful transformational tools to inspire and support us in this journey. These tools enable us to become authentic and empowered individuals who can create a world in which we can live in our beauty, truth, and joy. Let me introduce myself. I'm a heart centered life coach, meditation teacher, and have conducted several workshops including stress management, anger management, positive thinking, and emotional mastery over the last decade. I realized over the years that to have a fulfilling and joyful experience of life, we need to be embodied, present, and trusting in life, self, and others. For that, we need to have balance of two key awarenesses: personal awareness and relational awareness. Vertical practices like meditation allows you to have personal awareness of who you are and what's your purpose in life. I have been practicing meditation for last 20 years and it has allowed me to understand who am I, what's my purpose and values are. Sometimes even seasoned meditators find it challenging to have wholesome experience of life due to lack of awareness of what's happening at the horizontal plane in their life, which includes mental, physical, and emotional levels. In order to have that awareness, one needs to understand the messages which their mind, body, and emotions are trying to convey. To understand the vast landscape of thoughts, emotions, and feelings, I dove deep into the art of emotional mastery. Understanding my emotion, mental stories, and belief systems allowed me to understand the deeper meaning behind them. I learned that unintegrated and unprocessed emotions create blocks and defense mechanism which do not allow one to come into their hearts and enjoy this life fully. Most of these experiences are the direct result of childhood traumas, and one needs to have emotional intelligence to understand these messages. A key part of this dynamic is the unprocessed and unintegrated emotions which are stored deep down in our hearts, and the subsequent behavior and emotional patterns which emerge out of that. They actually started in relationship with others. Someone didn't love me, someone hurt me, someone made me feel unsafe, someone betrayed me. The list goes on and on. You know all about it. These unintegrated emotion needs to be processed and witnessed in a very safe environment. Once these emotions are acknowledged and integrated, they create fulfilling relationship with the self and with the others to live a fully engaged and present life. This allows you to connect with others and clearly communicate who you are and what your values are. And you communicate in a way where it lands with them. They actually get it that what you bring into this relationship. And this is relational awareness. This allows you to have more fulfilling relationships, more empowering relationships, and have very intimate connections with others, and at the same time having healthy boundaries. When you have this powerful integration of vertical and horizontal awareness, you can have wholesome experience of life. So, personal awareness and relational awareness is the pathway for lasting transformation and self-mastery. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to share with you some of the most amazing transformational and self-mastery tools like emotional intelligence, emotional mastery, along with focused meditation, how to have deep awareness of your own self, and also heart-centered communications. You will learn the basics of emotional dynamics, how to understand your emotions and how to process them, how to traverse through the complex landscape of old belief systems and emotional judgments which hold you back and because of which you have been blocked. You would also learn how to fully utilize the power of meditation so that you can have deep inner explorations and to become more present. I would also share with you the powerful group emotional processing technique which allows you to have long-lasting transformation in a very short period of time. Once you know how to apply these powerful tools, you would have access to your full potential so that you can live a very empowered and inspired life. So I would like to invite you on this exciting and life-affirming journey where you would experience moving towards your joy and having a wholesome life experience. So please register in the form on the right-hand side and you would receive the details in email. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.